Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are solving +1. So in this problem, we are given a large integer and it will be represented as an array, and we will want to add 1 to whatever that number is in the array. So if you look at this example, this number is 123 plus 1 is 124, 4,321 plus 1 is 4,322, and 9 plus 1 is 10, so we return a 1 and 0 as our result. So now that we have seen some examples, let's get to how we can solve this problem. So to solve this problem, we'll use a very simple algorithm. So first, we're going to reverse the array. Then second, we will iterate through the array. And if the digit is equal to 9, we will set the digit to 0. Otherwise, we will add the digit by 1, and then we can return the array reverse right away. Now, if we have iterated through the entire array and we still have not come across a digit that is not equal to 9, then we need to add 1 at the end of the array and reverse it. So an example would be like 99999. So knowing the algorithm, let's go through some examples. So for the first one, we would reverse the array and we will add 1 to 3. So now it's 421, and then we will return 124 as our result. Now this one, 119, reverse it to 911. Since it's a 9, we will change it to 0. Look at the next digits. It's not a 9, so we add 1, and then we can reverse it and return 120 as our result. Now the last example, it's a 9, so set to 0, a 9 set to 0, a 9 set to 0. We come to the end and we still have not found a number that's not 9, so we need to add 1 to the end and then reverse it so we can return 1000 as our result. So the time complexity would be O of n, where n is a number of digits or the number of elements in the digits array, because it will take n time to iterate through the reversed array, and the space complexity will also be O of n because it will take n space to set up a reversed array. So now let's get to the coding part. So first we will reverse the digits array, and then we will look through digits. So for I in range length of digits. Now if digits of I is equal to 9, or if the number is equal to 9, then we will set that number to 0, and then we can move on to the next one. Otherwise, we will add digits by 1 and just return the reversed array. Now, in case if we have not come across a number that's not 9, then we need to append 1 to the end and return the reverse digits as our result. See if it works. Okay, perfect. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. If you have any other questions or comments, feel free to leave that in the comment section, and I hope to see you all again soon.